Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and this is the first video, day one of the Pass Your AWS AI Certified Practitioner, but with a bit of a difference. But we'll come back to that in a moment. So I'm just at my local train station here. I've just bought this wonderful scooter. It's a very, very quick scooter, and the great thing about the scooter is it replaces a petrol car. So we now have a Tesla and electric scooter. So we are now an all-electric family. Very proud of that. Now, back to today's AI. So, I was going to talk about terminology and basics of AI. Is exactly what I'm going to talk about.
Arriving on platform 2 is the Ferny Grove train stopping all stations.
Of course, after the train has been announced, let's go through some AI basics. So we have the broader term of artificial intelligence, which is around helping computers to learn by themselves. Then we have machine learning, which is using relatively simple mathematics to help machines learn. Then beneath machine learning, we have deep learning, which is all about neural networks. Cue the noisy train coming through. That's the great thing about live video, isn't it? You have to put up with these things. That's all good. Like I say, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and the applications used for deep learning are things like autonomous cars. And the way deep learning works, it uses something called a neural network. So a neural network mimics what the brain does in terms of the structure. So it contains neurons, the brain contains neurons that are interconnected together to allow you to learn. And that's exactly how a neural network works. The difference being is a little bit of clever mathematics as part of that called activation functions that work for each neuron and allow you to store that wonderful knowledge. Then beneath deep learning, my favorite part of AI is generative AI. Generative AI uses neural networks too. Some of the most common ones that you'll come across are the transformer architecture, which is used in natural language processing. So if you've ever used a chatbot before, behind the scenes, quite commonly we're using natural language processing to be able to process and understand our language. There are other types of models that we can use in generative AI. These are called foundation models. Text to image, text to video are just some examples. Text to video is probably the most exciting, I think. I'd love to create movies one day with a few wonderful prompts.
An express train will pass this station in approximately 1 minute on platform 2.
Well, there we go. The express is coming through.
Behind the yellow safety line.
I better finish up this video. So I think that's all the basic terminology I need to cover. So I've covered AI, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, foundation models, natural language processing. I think that's more than enough for today. You have a fantastic day. This is Digital Colmer, waiting for that express train. Where is he? Down there somewhere. Signing off.